Hey everyone, I'm so excited to have you here today. Want to boost your credit score fast? You're in the right place. We all know how important a good credit score is, right? It's not just a number. It's a key to unlocking so many financial opportunities. It's the gatekeeper to better interest rates, loan approvals, even apartment rentals. Imagine being able to secure that dream apartment or get a loan for your new car with ease. A high credit score can save you thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. Think about all the money you could save on interest rates alone. But improving it can feel like a mystery, right? It can be confusing and overwhelming, especially if you don't know where to start. Well, stick around because in this video, I'm sharing 7 powerful hacks that can make a huge difference in your credit score, fast. These tips are practical, easy to follow, and can be implemented right away. And while you're at it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more financial tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more content to help you achieve your financial goals. Now let's dive into those credit score hacks. Get ready to take notes and start your journey to a better credit score today. Whether you're looking to buy a house, get a new car, or just improve your financial health, these tips will set you on the right path. Let's get started. First things first, the most important factor in your credit score is your payment history. It makes up a whopping 35% of your FICO score, which is huge. Late payments, even by a few days, can really ding your score. Set up automatic payments or reminders to make sure you never miss a due date. Trust me, this is the easiest way to build a solid credit history. Think of it like this. Every on-time payment is a brick you lay in building a fortress of awesome credit. Next up, let's talk about credit utilization. This refers to how much of your available credit you're actually using. The lower your credit utilization, the better. Ideally, you want to keep it below 30%. Even lower is even better. For example, if you have a credit card with a $10,000 limit, try to keep your balance below $3,000. High credit utilization can signal to lenders that you're relying too heavily on credit. Keep it low and watch your score climb. Now, you might be tempted to close old credit cards you don't use anymore, but hold on. Before you make that decision, it's important to understand the impact it can have on your financial health. Did you know that the length of your credit history also plays a significant role in your credit score? This is one of the key factors that credit bureaus consider when calculating your score. The longer you've had credit accounts open and in good standing, the better. This demonstrates to lenders that you have a reliable track record of managing credit over time. Closing old accounts can actually shorten your credit history and potentially lower your score. This is because your credit history length is calculated based on the average age of all your accounts. So, unless there are compelling reasons to close an account, like high annual fees, it's usually best to keep them open. Even if you don't use the card regularly, keeping it active can be beneficial. Think of those old accounts like vintage wine. They get more valuable with age. Just as a fine wine matures and improves over time, so does your credit history. By maintaining these accounts, you're building a stronger financial foundation for the future. Another tip is to set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date. This helps keep your accounts in good standing and avoids late fees, which can also negatively impact your credit score. Regularly reviewing your budget and financial plan can help you manage your credit cards more effectively. By staying on top of your finances, you can make informed decisions about which accounts to keep open. Remember, a strong credit history is a valuable asset. It can open doors to better interest rates, loan approvals, and even job opportunities. So think twice before closing those old credit accounts. Chapter 4. Be your own advocate. Dispute credit report errors. It's a sad truth, but errors on credit reports are more common than you might think. These errors can range from simple clerical mistakes to more serious issues like identity theft. These errors can drag down your score for no reason. Imagine applying for a loan or a mortgage and being denied because of an error that isn't even your fault. It's frustrating and unfair. That's why it's crucial to check your credit report regularly, at least once a year, and dispute any inaccuracies you find. Regular monitoring can help you catch errors early before they cause significant damage. You can get a free credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, once a year. These reports are available through annualcreditreport.com, the only authorized website for free credit reports. Disputing errors is your right, so don't be afraid to exercise it. Start by gathering all necessary documentation that supports your claim. This could include bank statements, payment records, or any other relevant information. Next, write a dispute letter to the credit bureau that issued the report. Clearly state the error, provide evidence, and request a correction. You can also file disputes online through the credit bureau's website for a quicker process. The credit bureau is required to investigate your claim within 30 days. They will contact the creditor involved and review the evidence. If your dispute is valid, they will correct the error and notify you of the changes. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your credit. By staying vigilant and proactive, you can ensure your credit report accurately reflects your financial history, giving you the best chance for financial success. Chapter 5. Become an authorized user. Credit Boost Hack. Here's a lesser-known strategy that can give your credit score a nice little boost. Becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit card. If you have a family member or close friend with good credit history, ask them if you can become an authorized user on their account. Their positive payment history will then be reflected on your credit report, giving your score a potential boost. Of course, this only works if the account holder has a good track record of responsible credit card use. Chapter 6. Secured Credit Cards. Your stepping stone to great credit. If you're new to credit or rebuilding your credit history, a secured credit card can be a great tool. With a secured card, you put down a security deposit that typically equals your credit limit. This minimizes the risk for the lender. By using the card responsibly and making on-time payments, you demonstrate good credit habits and build a positive credit history. It's like training wheels for your credit. Chapter 7. Hard inquiries. Don't let them tank your score. Finally, let's talk about hard inquiries. These occur when lenders check your credit report when you apply for credit, like a loan or credit card. Each hard inquiry can slightly lower your credit score, especially if you have too many in a short period. So, try to space out your credit applications and avoid applying for credit you don't need. Remember, every point counts when it comes to your credit score. Take control of your credit score. So there you have it. 7 powerful hacks to boost your credit score fast. Remember, building good credit takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to a brighter financial future. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. And as always, thanks for watching.